Hey guys, today we're going to look at how you upload an app to your Google account. Okay, so the first thing is, I'm assuming that everything's done on the app side. The APK file has been generated and you have it and you're ready to go and upload it to the Google Store. First thing we need is screenshots. So I'm going to show you how a tool that we use. It's called Appetize, Appetize.io. You can go there and create yourself a free account and you can do a lot of things with it. Number one of them is being able to generate screenshots that are professional and good for the App Store. So I've already got an APK file that I'm going to use here. I'm uploading that right now. Created my account, obviously. And once you've done that, you'll be able to see, by clicking the view button here, you'll be able to see the actual app. Hit the tap to play, and it's installing the app on the browser. You can also use this to show your clients and actually go through a fully functioning app this way as well. So let's first take the screenshots. Hang on a second. So we'll take a screenshot of this screen, hit the save screenshot button right here, and it saves it to your computer. I'm going to log into the app so that we can take further screenshots. And log in. Actually, we have to register. This app has a register function here, so they want everything here. Okay. Okay, so I'm into the app now. You can see I've entered my information. I can see all the screens here. I can click on any one of these things and I can see all the features. This is also a great tool for showing the app online to a prospective client. That's a whole different story. And now let's start taking some screenshots. So I will save another screenshot of this one, upcoming events. I'll save this one here. You can see, some events here, so we can just save some screenshots of how things look. Let's see, we've got 4 or 5 there. Let's see what else we can do here. New arrivals. Got a shopping cart here. Let's save that screenshot. We can actually click on stuff and see, different things, how the carts work, how everything works. I'll take a screenshot of that. I've got now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's enough screenshots for now. So that's what we need, screenshots. This is a great tool. If you want to use this further, you can contact me and I can give you some more information on how this works, but it's a fantastic tool. Coming back over here now, create the application. So you click that button, select your language. We'll say it's English. And I will say US English. The title of the app, so the name of the app, Auto Scene. Create. And now you see the Auto Scene app. So this is a short description. I'm going to put that. I got to find that from the customer here in a second. Okay, so I've gone ahead and added the description right now. So now we come down to the area where we need the icon as well as the screenshots. So let's get the screenshots. First, I'm going to pull all these screenshots. While that uploads, I will get the icon ready. That's done. I've got the icon there. Oh, resize. This has to be 512 by 512, so I'll quickly show you how you can fix that just by using a tool like Paint on your own computer, or just open with Paint. Now I've got to resize this. Click the resize button and go 12, 12, and save. Now I will be able to upload the right size image. Okay, so that's there, perfect. So the icon is there, the screenshots are there, and now we need a feature graphic. This is something that you can't publish the app without if you don't have a feature graphic, and it's 1024 by 500. I'll get that and come back in a second. But also for the tablets, if you want these apps to be available for tablets, you need to add screenshots for the tablets as well. I'll use the same screenshots. Oh, maybe they don't work here. Okay, that one's fine. And try this again here. Perfect. The tablets are now done, and we need the 1024 by 500 screenshot here. So let me get one of those. All right, so I got my image here. Upload that, and that's the most difficult part of the process. So that's done. Now we can come down here and continue answering the questions. So we select the category, auto vehicles, this one will be, contact details. We're going to use Massimo Apps because we are publishing this app. Info. Okay, good save draft. And you'll see all these little gray checkboxes here. These are the things that need to be completed before the app can be published. Okay, so this has been saved. So I gotta go to app releases now. I've got to go to manage production and create a release. Okay. Now make sure you opt out of this. Let Google manage your app sign key recommended. Don't opt out of it because it's useless. I'm sure opt out. Now once you've opted out, you need to upload the APK file right here. So I got the APK file right here. Hit upload. It's processing now and done. Down here, this is what's new in this release. This is when you're updating your app. So if it's a new release, you could say, bug fixes, new UI, whatever you want to say. I'm just going to put what else? It's mobile. Okay, save that. So now this should turn green. Actually, no, let's save it for review, it will turn green. So this is now done. So now we have to go down to the content rating. Continue, answer all these questions. I'm going to put my info and continue answering questions. So this is a utility, a communication app. It's none of these things. Now you answer questions. It's all no's. Language, not bad language. No sexual content. Not age restricted. No. Save questionnaire. Calculate the rating. And apply the rating. So as soon as you apply the rating, this should turn green. Perfect. Okay. Next thing is app content. No, pricing and distribution. Let's go to that. So it's unavailable right now. We will make it available in all countries, and I recommend you do that because in case there's some issues that we need to test, if you're in the US or a different country, you're only making it available for your country, then we won't be able to download the apps, and if we need to test, we won't be able to do it. It doesn't hurt your app to be available in all countries, so we'll leave that like that. Contains ad, no, it has no ads. This is fine. Let's scroll down here. Turn on advanced manage my Google Play features. I don't even bother with these things, to be quite honest with you. Leave that. Yes, you say yes. You meet Apple Android content guidelines and export laws. Save your draft. That's now green. App content. I'm not even sure what this is. Target audience. Let us know the target group of your app. Okay, let's start this one. This is new. You must add a privacy policy if your app targets children under 15. So we have that. What are the target groups? Yeah, so I guess it would be this and this in this case. Not even reading this. Hit next. Could your store listing unintentionally appeal to children? No, it's not really for children. Hit submit. Okay, that's done. Now you can see that's turned green. What is this? Not ready. Store listing is not done here. This is done. Answer all these questions. Privacy policy. We need privacy policy. So I'm just going to go over to my website and get the privacy policy, which is right here. Come back over here and paste the privacy policy. Save the draft. Okay, now that's also green and we're ready to publish. So you can see that, ready to publish. Manage releases. Hit the edit release button. This is bringing you back to this page. Now you would click the review button. It's going to go through, there's some warnings here. Check these warnings. It can be when this APK results in used code and resources being sent to you. Your app can be smaller. That's fine. You can ignore that and then just hit start rollout to production. Confirm, and now the app is published. It's live. it will be live in a couple hours anyways. You've done what you got to do. It's pending publication, but it is now going to be on in your account. And it's ready to roll out to all users. So it usually takes a couple hours for Google to have these apps listed as live. All right, thanks for watching, guys.